Today, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted pictures from your iPhone. If you've accidentally lost important photos, don't worry. I've got some tips that might help you get them back. First things first, let's check the recently deleted album. Open the Photos app, open the Photos app and go to the recently deleted. Here, you can find your deleted photos within the last 30 days. You might be able to recover them from here. If you see the pictures you want to recover, tap select in the top right corner and here you can find the recover option. Simply tap on recover photo and simply that is how you can recover your photo to restore them back to your main album. Now, if your photos are not in the recently deleted folder, you might still have a chance if you back up your iPhone to iCloud. To restore from an iCloud backup, go to Settings, tap on your name, and select iCloud, and then on Manage Storage. Choose on Backups. Check the date of your last backup to see if it might contain your deleted photos. To restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup, you need to erase all content on device. Go back to Settings, tap on General, then simply tap on Reset iPhone and here you need to choose Erase all content and settings. After your iPhone restarts, follow the setup prompts and select Restore from iCloud Backup when given the option. And that's it. While recovering permanently deleted photos isn't guaranteed, these methods give you the best shot at getting your memories back.